Did you know that you can spell burger with just 3 letters? We're comparing a convenience store burger to KFC. Let's go grab the stuff. Buns check, burger check. Well, hey. So here's a spinny thingy that's not mine, but it'll work just fine. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but in this case, don't judge burger. Not me trying to do a burger review. Had to unbox this for you guys and damn, it looks good. Can't lie, the frozen burger looks a bit plain before cooking, but let's not judge too soon. Someone come save this pan and off we go. Glug 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 and wait for it. Dash the good stuff, dash the shine I want playing at my wedding. Now the next clip is me demonstrating high IQ behaviour, trying to do a crispy sound test whilst the chicken's still cooking. One last shot of the sizzle, the B-Tech buns going in before the assembly. I'm sorry to put you guys through this, but that looks absolutely rank. And that looks pretty good though. Now time to crown your king, and we're gonna have one last spinny shot for good measure. Not bad, not bad. And oh my god, KFC is looking much better. We are in the bin, lads. Visually, KFC takes the cake, no competition, but what would they taste like? Quick sound test. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Now it's time for the KFC burger to square up, and I know it's not fair because it's not been made fresh and the following was probably to be expected. And there we have it. Now, KFC usually do perform better, however, on this day, it's the burger that I finished last that had won this competition. This was also my first ever attempt at making a video, so if you liked it, let me know.